So I will be your teacher today, Teacher Ellie. Okay, our lesson for today is this one is quiet, quiet. This one is queen, queen. This one is quilt, quilt. This one is squeeze, quiz. This one is question, question. Okay, what is it? It's quiet. It's quiet. It's a queen. It's a queen. It's a quilt. It's a quilt. It's quiz. It's quiz. It's question. It's question. Okay, let's do the verbing sound. E. Quick. Quick. E. Quilt. Quilt. E. E. D. Liquid. Liquid. E. T. Squid. Squid. E. Z. Quiz. Quiz. E. E. Squirrel. Squirrel. Let's read. The squirrel makes a quilt. The squirrel makes a quilt. The queen makes a question. The queen makes a question. Bye-bye.